Welcome to the Test Drive, the channel where we take a deep dive into the latest in automotive innovation and mobility solutions. Today, we're turning our attention to a very intriguing concept, the 2026 partnership between Toyota and Bajaj Auto, a collaboration that's being referred to informally as the Raksha auto vehicle. While official details remain sketchy, we'll explore what this project could mean, the potential features, and why it may impact urban mobility in markets like India and Pakistan. The notion of Toyota working with Bajaj Auto to produce a three-wheeled, auto rickshaw style vehicle is one that raises eyebrows. Bajaj Auto has long been a dominant player in the three-wheeler and commercial mobility space in India, while Toyota brings decades of design, technology and global scale. The idea behind Raksha, meaning protection, or guard, in Hindi suggests an emphasis on safety, durability and affordability. Imagine a vehicle that combines the cost-effectiveness and maneuverability of a local auto rickshaw with Toyota's build quality and safety credentials. First, let's think about the context. Urban mobility across South Asia is under pressure. Congested streets, rising fuel costs, and growing demand for last-mile transport require innovative solutions. A vehicle like the Toyota Bajaj Auto Raksha could serve as a modern alternative to traditional auto rickshaws, cleaner, safer, more reliable, and possibly electrified or hybrid. While we don't yet have official specs, we can anticipate certain features based on trends. For instance, Bajaj Auto has been expanding its product lineup, including electric mobility options. Toyota, meanwhile, has been emphasizing safety, emissions reduction and strong after-sales support worldwide. In terms of styling and design, it's likely the Raksha will retain the compact footprint of a three-wheeler but with more robust construction. Think of a vehicle built for the rough patchwork of urban roads, with higher ground clearance, reinforced body panels, better suspension, and possibly a sealed cabin or at least weather protection. The cabin could feature more ergonomic seating, improved instrumentation, maybe even air conditioning or weather-resistant materials, features traditionally limited in the auto rickshaw segment. Safety systems could include more advanced braking, perhaps ABS, improved lighting, and crash protection, drawing on Toyota's global engineering. Powertrain is another key area of speculation. Given the global shift to electric mobility, it would make sense for the Toyota Bajaj Raksha to adopt an electric or at least hybrid powertrain. Bajaj Auto has already invested significantly in electric two-wheelers, aiming for growth in this segment. An electric three-wheeler from such a collaboration would offer lower operating costs, zero tailpipe emissions, quieter operation and easier maintenance. For markets like Pakistan and India, this could be a game-changer in public transport and shared mobility. If it ends up being ICE-powered, then efficient small-displacement petrol or CNG powertrains might be used, but the Raksha name suggests something more forward-looking. From a market positioning standpoint, the Toyota Bajaj Raksha could fill a niche between traditional auto rickshaws and fully-fledged small cars. It may appeal to commercial drivers who want a more premium, reliable vehicle, as well as ride-hailing services seeking regulated, durable mobility fleets. For private use, it could serve small families or younger buyers looking for an affordable, practical vehicle for city commuting and short-distance travel. Cost will be critical. One of the biggest advantages of auto rickshaws is their low price and operating cost. Toyota and Bajaj will need to keep the Raksha affordable if it's to succeed at scale. That means leveraging local manufacturing, simple design, modular powertrain, cost-effective materials and strong service network. With Toyota's global supply chain and Bajaj's local production footprint, the collaboration has the potential to hit the right balance between quality and affordability. In terms of distribution and service, the partnership could leverage Bajaj Auto's wide reach across India and nearby markets, and Toyota's proven after-sales service excellence. For users, that could translate into easier parts availability, better maintenance networks, warranties and resale value. One of Toyota's strong points globally is durability and resale strength, which, if brought into this segment, would add major value. Of course, there are challenges. Regulatory approvals, especially if the vehicle is electric, may require supporting infrastructure, charging stations, battery supply chains, local regulations and incentives. Customer acceptance might hinge on how the Raksha compares with existing three-wheelers in terms of comfort, cost of ownership, serviceability and resale. The three-wheeler market is price-sensitive. Any premium must be justified by better economics or status. Moreover, ride-hailing fleets tend to prefer vehicles with very low downtime. Toyota and Bajaj will need to ensure reliability, quick servicing and minimal complexity. If this collaboration proceeds, we might see it first in major Indian metro areas, where pollution regulations and ride-hailing uptake are high, followed by expansion to Tier 2 cities and perhaps exported models to other South Asian markets. For Pakistan, too, such a vehicle could be adapted for the local environment: robust road surfaces, variable fuel quality, heat and dust resistance, and the specific regulatory environment of three-wheelers. What might the Raksha mean for the future? For drivers, better safety and comfort; for fleet operators, lower downtime and higher productivity; for passengers, a more pleasant ride; for city planners, reduced emissions and improved mobility; for consumers, an affordable, simple mobility option with the backing of major brands. And for Toyota and Bajaj, it's a chance to diversify, innovate, and capture emerging mobility segments. In closing, the 2026 Toyota Bajaj Raksha concept is compelling, even if much is speculative at this point. It represents the potential next step in urban mobility in South Asia, blending local manufacturing, global brand credibility, modern powertrains, and emerging mobility needs. As always, we at the Test Drive will keep an eye on official announcements, pricing, specs and launch timing. If you're as excited as we are, hit like, subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss our review when the vehicle arrives. Until next time, safe driving and thanks for watching.